Are you looking at starting or scaling your quilting business? Everyone is wrong on how to do it. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm your host, D3, and this is your daily quilting business coaching. Over the years, I have lots of people come up to me with a wonderful new product, service, or experience. And as they begin to tell me about how wonderful it is, how it's going to help the quilting community, right? You start to see the energy and the excitement that they have to share it. They start, but in the back of their minds, they start thinking like, hey, Doug, would anyone actually buy this? And why would they buy it from me? And like, how much do you think I should price this for? And just all this sort of questions that you would expect from someone trying to bring a new product or service to the market. But inevitably, as we go through those questions, I always got one question in the back. Who is this for? And 9 times out of 10, they're like, everyone is going to buy this. Everyone is the wrong answer. You don't have enough time, money, experience, ability to sell your great product, service, or experience, as wonderful as it is, to everyone. Let me give you a quick little story to illustrate this point. Imagine, for instance, that you wanted to get a new smartphone and you were an Apple lover, fanboy, and you wanted to get, the latest iPhone. Did you know that as of the time of this recording, it is Tuesday, February 13th, there are 6 models of iPhone you could buy. You could buy the affordable iPhone SE. You can go to Verizon, AT&T Mobile, whoever, and get the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 14. You can go to the Apple store and get an iPhone 15, a 15 Pro, a 15 Pro Max, or a 15 Pro Titanium. So you see, Apple understands something that us smaller businesses don't. There's not one iPhone for everyone. They understand that the customer who buys an iPhone SE is looking for a great phone at a very affordable price. So they scale back some of the features and products and things that it can do. Doesn't have as much memory, doesn't have as great a camera, doesn't have as great audio. On the other side of the spectrum, taking a look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you get a bigger screen, you get great video, great audio, and it's an all around better experience, but it's more money. Apple knows that there's different customers with different needs and different pricing abilities, the ability to buy that you and I don't. We think we're going to have one set of product or services, but what about thinking about an entire suite of products or services for different people? Or what if someone wants to come in and have you do long arm services? There's one price that you can do affordably, and there's other custom services for those who want a little more attention and a little higher rate. You're still doing your service or selling your product, but you're tailoring to more. Now, as you've gone through this video, if you've been thinking about your product, service, or experience, and you're like, Doug, I'm still a little bit confused. How can I take my product, my service, and customize it? You're great. Tomorrow, Wednesday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, I'm going to be offering a free workshop to help you with this very question. How do you gain clarity around the products, services, and experience you offer or are thinking of offering if you're going to scale your business or if your business is struggling? At the end of this 1 hour free workshop, you're going to have a 1-page business plan that's going to spell out everything you need. That's the foundation of your entire business. We'll use it in coming workshops for your website, for your marketing, for your sales, and your fulfillment throughout all of our workshop series. This week is National Entrepreneurs Week, and so we're kicking off our workshop series with this very first fundamental one, a 1-page quilting business plan. I want to encourage you to use the link below, but it's quiltingstudio.life. So not a .com or anything, quiltingstudio.life/workshop. That'll get you right there. And once you sign up for this one, you're signed up for all of them. Every week, I'll send you an email as to what we're teaching that week. And if you can't make it live, don't worry. It's all recorded. You get an email for the replay as well. So once again, go and check out quiltingstudio.life/workshop. And I'll see you tomorrow on the live Zoom call where we'll start to go through and get you clarity for your product, service, or experience.